Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to capture demographic information from the user-sent messages using a text-to-join campaign. You can collect email addresses, names, and zip codes of the users using text message services along with their mobile number. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns. Then click on the plus button to add a new campaign. Next, click on Text to join. The short code or texting number and SMS account are pre-selected. Enter a campaign name. This is your list name as well. Select Text to join options, collect data. Enter the keyword. A keyword is a unique word or short phrase that people can text into the texting number to join the mobile list. The keyword must be 4 or more characters. The keyword is optional if you're just looking to import contacts. Check the Enable Email Capture checkbox. This will parse the email address from the subscriber's text messages. Enter a validation message if the user must provide a valid email address. Enter the Email Capture Confirmation Response Auto-Reply message. You can send MMS, mobile coupons, URLs, and images as email responses. Scroll down and press Save. The remaining fields will populate with the default message, which you can edit later. Once saved, click on the More Contact Data Collection Settings link. Check the name, zip code, and birthday checkboxes if you wish to parse these from the user text message. Create a birthday message template if you wish to send birthday wishes to the subscriber. You could include MMS, mobile coupons, URLs, and images in the birthday message. Select a time when the message will be delivered. At the bottom of the page, you can see the message format the users can use to send their contact information. The application will capture this information automatically. Make sure to publish clear call-to-action instructions on your website or any print marketing material. Click Save to save the details. Now, let's see how a user can send the information. You can ask users to text zip codes, email addresses, and names along with the keyword and send it to the short code or texting number. Let's check if we have received the details shared by the user. Click on Campaigns. Then, select your campaign and click on Manage Subscribers. As you can see, the user's information has been updated. Thanks for watching.